Our story starts out in a barren wasteland, much like this one. Actually, wait. Nope, just it actually starts out in a lush forest, like this. The year is now 3000. It is a lot different than 2017. Resources are now very limited, so lots of animals have had to adapt to be able to compete and survive in this environment. Our story starts with an amazing animal, the wolf. The wolf lives in the tundra and hunts large animals in a pack. Over time, these animals have adapted a shell. It started out as a mutation, affecting only a few of the animals. However, these affected animals were the ones that survived, and soon the adaptation spread to almost the whole population. The wolves were not able to pierce through the shell of these new animals, so they soon began to die. However, hope was not lost for the wolves. Soon after their prey adapted a shell, they adapted a feature found only in scorpions, a sharp curved tail. This tail was able to pierce through the armor found on their prey. After having many of the wolves die and leaving the population at 100, there was now new hope for the wolves. After a few years, the wolves began to reproduce, and soon their population was thriving again.
As time went on, the wolves were producing too many individuals than the environment could sustain. Competition was increasing, and suddenly the wolf population was beginning to decrease. Now, all this time, there has been no mention of the human, but they were still on the earth. In particular, there was one scientist that was very interested in all of the change being brought upon the planet. He decided to do an experiment on the wolves. Knowing that all of the organisms on this planet had one common ancestor, he decided to change the wolves' DNA. He decided that he wanted them to have wings so they could find prey in the air as well. So he altered their DNA sequence, and through a man-made mutation, the wolves suddenly got wings. The scientists only had enough material to alter the DNA of 25 male and 25 female wolves. After that, he watched nature do its work. With wings, the new wolves were able to rule the air and land. Their survival rate increased, and while the other wolves died out, these ones were able to reproduce. Time passed, and more wolves developed wings until most of the species had them. Over time, as the wolves adapted to their environment, a new species was born, one with the characteristic of a wolf, scorpion, and hawk.